report tip of the day. When life crumbles, your home, your job, marriage, or savings, your first instinct might be to hide from the numbers. Don't. Hard as it may be, face them, because your credit report isn't just a record of the past. It's your blueprint for a comeback. That single document holds the key to rebuilding trust with lenders, regaining financial footing, and re-establishing stability. Every line tells a story, some of mistakes, others of opportunity. And when you take control of that story, you begin to rebuild power. Pull your report, highlight what's wrong, strategize what's next. From disputing errors to negotiating payoffs, every action you take strengthens your foundation. Your credit report is not a punishment, it's a pathway back to prosperity. Read it, fix it, use it.